Fuck! Welcome back to probably the first video I've recorded in, dude, well over a month. Back on the Sony, because the last few have been on the iPhone for the podcast. Podcast, we'll see about it coming back, but for today, we got, some of you may recognize this Carbon Schwartz M3. This is my old M3 that Jonathan purchased from me, and today we're installing coilovers and new brakes as well. So we're gonna get this thing jacked up, put on the jack stands, and immediately get to work. We got the AC in this bitch running, and yeah, it's not too bad. So we'll be right back. Alright, so we came across our first problem and we're unable to get the strut out. So I tried spring compressors to shorten it up, but then it would just run up here. Got advice from the interwebs to turn the wheel, so I'm gonna go ahead and undo the spring compressors and see if that helps. Alright, so I was able to get it out. What I ended up having to do was use the jack and a board to compress the strut so it can, I just lowered this down while compressing it. I was able to slide out and cut it out. Took a lot more work than it should have, but we're moving in the right direction. The fronts are the hardest, rears are easy. We'll be done in no time, so be back. I don't know what he did, but he did it. Coils in. Sway bars, not. I forgot about that.
What?
Coilover in, end link not.
Penis.
Coilover in. We didn't have to mess with the end links.
What the fuck?
And yeah, so we're gonna get the end links on, and then he's got wheels on the way. Should be here within the next hour or so. And then, yeah, we'll let you guys see what it looks like with the new wheels. We'll do a wheel reveal, and it's gonna be really good, so we'll be right back. All right, so here's the moment of truth. We got these Rega Masters on. We did have a hard fucking time getting these brakes on, but here we go. God, dude. Oops, yeah, the e-brake. Oh, dude, look at that. It's like perfect fitness, dude.
God, fucking, holy shit, look at the fucking front.
God, dude. Oh my God. God. How you feeling?
Defeated, but I'm happy.
Happy and defeated. Same. Dude, this looks fucking crazy. So if you guys don't remember, I think I did mention this already in the beginning, but this is the M3 that Jonathan bought off of me. Just got it back from paint this week. It's looking fucking fantastic. He's had these sitting for a while. He's had the wheels sitting for a while. Just got the tires for them, so God, dude, that is perfect. You were right. The camber up front is perfect. The rear is perfect. Dude, the camber up front we can probably take out a little bit.
Yeah, probably take it a little bit, just so you can sit more flush with the fender.
Yeah.
Should be fine.
We might have to. Yeah, we can probably just do a little bit. But wow, dude, I can't wait to see this outside.
Yeah, no, I'm really excited to see this thing. Just what a difference, man.
So I'll record the outro when this dude leaves, but we're gonna clean up here because this is a disaster, and then yeah, we'll get going. So be back. That Vanos rattle. Oh shit, no, that's your fucking rubbing. Nah, not like bad. I think it's running on the inner fenders because they're wide. Because it's not rubbing up here at all. So I think it's running on the rubbing on the inside. Oh, god damn. Once the ride height is fixed, this thing is gonna be fucking insane. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, that's all I've got for this video. I'm fucking tired. I'm ready to go shower, ready to go barbecue. And you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, hopefully more M3 content. And see you guys next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them Vogues. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my click. Let them see how out they going up the blicks. Pray to God.